going on, guys? We're back with another video, and I heard a little thunder. We're gonna get some bad storms. This whole storm over here, it's gonna move in and come and close with the storm. You'll see it. I don't know if you heard that, but I just thunder. You'll see the whole storm right there. It's gonna come right there, all the way through this whole area. There to there. There's lightning is 14 mile away right now. And that's what the weather bug said. And look at the storm. You can see that whole thing that's gonna come. And there's no lightning towards that storm. But there's thunder from that storm.
Alright, let me get all spiffed up here.
All right, peace out.
Storm.
Peace.